Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you the ways to register HSBC Bank. In order to register HSBC Bank, you need to follow this simple steps. So first thing first, you want to go to your Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in HSBC Mobile Banking. And next thing you want to do is go ahead and install the application. So it's going to take a couple of seconds in order to install, so you wait patiently. After which, click the open button and it's gonna take you to their official page. This is how it's gonna look like. So next thing you want to do is click the continue button and make sure to accept all of these cookies and agree to the terms and condition. Now here you'll be able to find two different options, whether to register or log on. So click or if you don't have an account. So I already have a bank account or existing account, but I do not have an online banking. So click on register at the bottom of the page. Now you want to select whether you want to verify with ID and selfie or you don't have a photo ID. So select either one of these, and you want to go ahead and select one of these options to verify. Let's say credit card number, and click the continue button. Now to proceed on to the next step, you have to enter in your credit card information. Click the continue button, and then you have to go ahead and follow all of the steps that has been mentioned. So follow the prompt and you'll be able to register for HSBC Online Banking. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.